when we're developing medical devices, this vulnerability, severity, and tying things directly to patient harm is really how we bridge people who maybe pigeonholed more into the security aspect of the device to the fact that we are developing a medical device for use with patients and with people, because people are at the center of what we're trying to accomplish here. And so some of the practical things that we've been doing is tying the vulnerability severity to a potential patient harm and not just the severity of the security vulnerability to the device. And then including a patient harm entry in security risk assessments. So similar to how at the outset of starting to do cybersecurity FMEAs or risk assessment documentation activities, we used exploitability instead of probability. So thinking about how each risk it could be exploitable. We're trying to add patient harm back into those same documents to kind of complete the picture of a severity might be high, but how does that translate to the actual resultant patient harm or potential patient harm?
Yeah, and that's a really good point. And I'd just like to follow up on Ryan's thoughts there because I agree with you 100%. And the idea, really behind this is also prioritization. There's another, benefit of scoring patient harm with respect to that vulnerability and enables device manufacturers to prioritize vulnerabilities because we all know that there are, I think we're up to more than 75 or so vulnerabilities introduced on a daily basis, not counting the hundreds of thousands that are out there already. So you think about as an engineer, you're getting inundated with these vulnerabilities continuously, and which ones are really impactful. And this is a good way to help you prioritize and look through the lens of impact of those vulnerabilities. Again, understanding how to go about fixing and patching these things in the most efficient manner. So I agree with you 100%. That was a good thought.